stupid piece of equipment, Doc. I went ahead and got your zinc changed. We're going to swim, and I'm going to hold my breath in my eyes and show you the new zinc and that it's not going anywhere. Hide and seek, I found it, showed it to you. It wasn't sitting on was the old retainer plate. The threads in here were stripped. So it wasn't until I took your prop apart that we discovered that. I ordered a new one of these, actually overnighted it. It was $200 for my part for the overnight. So just going to charge you for the zinc and the new plate. I'm going to need the $200 because it's taking me so long to solve this, but problem is solved. Thank you for choosing DS Service.